So, so okay. I don't know if I'm live or something, but yeah, let's start just coding. So, what I'm thinking of building is a web application, a chat application with real-time chat features. Uh, so let's and I don't have a plan for it as of now. So I'm just gonna wing it. I'm just gonna do whatever comes in my mind. I don't have a UI diagram on me right now. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So first of all, I think we need two folders, in two separate folders, one for client, another for server. Um, okay, for now let's just open the terminal and then cd to my client, and I have to start a new React app. Now I have seen people using Vite. Um, I don't know how efficient Vite is. You know what? Let's go ahead and check if there's anything we can find online. Uh, so Vite React. So Vite that aims to provide a faster and linear development experience for modern projects. Blah blah blah. Do I want to use TypeScript? You know what? Yeah, why not? I haven't used TypeScript much, but I can always go for it, I can always learn new things. And I think that's all I have to do. Just npm create white latest. Read at the latest should be good. Now it would ask us for some details, I guess. Uh, installing package, yeah, why not? For the details, I would just put dot slash, I guess, and it should create the project in the current directory. Um, I'll use React. Yep, TypeScript. Okay. Now just do npm install, and hopefully, yep. It just created the React app in my client folder. Okay, I think npm run dev. Sorry, npm run dev. What the hell? It should give us a running application. Alright, we're here. The source, if I look at this, so we have a counter, and then, I'm clicking on it, we are increasing the count by 1. That's good to know. Yeah, see, set count plus 1. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do now, is just remove everything, I don't need most of these things. For now, this just put a div in here with hello YouTube. Now, since we're using TypeScript, um, it would give us an error if we don't use the variables that we declare. So yeah, that's a good thing about TypeScript, I guess. And about app.css, I don't think I'm gonna use any of this styling here. um, Instead, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna install TypeScript in my application. It would just make my life so much easier, you know. Alright, I always import React. I don't know why. Maybe it helps me put like things like class component and stuff, which extend from React component. But for now, let's just not do that. Okay, we should have a really basic thing here. Now let's see how we can install Tailwind. Yeah, alright. It's pretty straightforward actually. Let's create another terminal. Just client, and yeah, it's pretty straightforward. I have a so I have to make a file tailwindconfig.js. Oh, it's already in here. Yeah, just oh, I think oh, you know what, let's just do this. Let's just copy this line. I don't understand. Okay. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Yep, yep. Okay. And then I think I'm supposed to put this here, and I should be good. I don't need Tailwind CLI. No, I don't need it. Let's see. Yeah, if it works. Class name would be, let's say, text 3xl. If I just go and check, it doesn't work, does it? No. And it doesn't work. You know what? Let's try and restart our application. And it doesn't work. Now I don't know why it doesn't work. Oh, maybe TSX. Maybe this will get it to work. I don't know. And now, I have a tailwind. app.css. SVG. I want that. I want that. Index.css has that. And then my index.css is being imported in the main. So it should work. Oh, why tell me new one? I don't want to. Visit Tailwind UI instead. Tailwind CSS installation. Oh, you know what? Mm, Create wait. Yeah. So I think I should have done this, but we can always rerun the queries, and then my tailwind config.js. It should look like this, right? Index.css should look like this, and that's it. That's all I need, actually. Mm, let's see. Okay, I think I need to restart the app now. And npm run dev. Okay, hopefully it works. All right. Yep. Have it. Okay. You know what? Let's install some Google fonts. Uh, Maybe Poppins is a famous font, I guess. So yeah, I guess. Yep. So we need regular 400. No, get font. 18 styles. I don't need 18 styles. I don't need 10. Don't need 10 italic. Extra light. No. 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 Regular. Not italic. Not italic. Maybe semi bold. I don't think I'm gonna use bold ever. And that should be it. No way. And if I just put this in my index.css, it should work. It should just work. And then maybe put this. Alright. Is it Poppins? I don't know. You know what? Let's just start coding. Um, we'll see. We'll see. So, what I'm thinking is, why did I close that? Yeah, I'm thinking about a header. It's just name. And maybe an icon here. So let's create a new folder called components. In components, let's create a header component. And we can then use share. Yeah. and in that header component I can create a file JSX, and then RAFCE should give me this React component. Now I'm gonna go ahead and import that here. Import header, and yep, should be good. Okay, perfect. And I think the font looks immaculate. Good. Should be good. Okay, perfect. Yeah. Now let's try and do something with the header. So what I'm thinking is header is a very simple component. I don't want anything fancy here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it flags to start with. Then justify would be in between. Okay. Alright. Oh, you know what? We can also do this. We can actually use the library. Oh, I don't remember the name. Give me one sec. What's the UI library for Tailwind CSS? It's like really good one. Oh, there are a bunch of them, to be honest. Um, there's this one library. It's just too good, to be honest. Let me check. Mhm. Uh, what is the name of that library? Sharsian. Yep, Sharsian. And it's nothing fancy. It just is good, actually. Video component library introduction. Let's go to installation. I need a Vite installation with latest NP tsconfig.json. Let me check my tsconfig.json. Oh yeah, it's pretty basic. Where do I add this code? Yeah, where is it? Is it compiler options? I don't. Okay. think it's this. Don't know for sure though, but okay. You know what? Let's stop it. And then it should be good. So is it the wheat config? Yes. And oh no, should I just do this? Now I would go ahead and run this. Install the package. Yup. Default base color would be slate. Here's your global CSS. Where is it? src slash index.css is it? Hopefully. We use CSS variables for colors. Why not? I don't think so. It's just right there. Add components. Why not? React server components? I actually no, I'm not using those. Okay, now we may now add components. Let's see. So this header, let's delete this. Let's delete, no, delete the header file as well. And in here, let's just go there like before and hello. And then I just delete this. And I don't know what's wrong. Yeah. Okay. Should be good. Should be good. 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 Now npm run day. It should start our development server where I have hello. Let's go. Now that's it. Now add button and just we can add a button. Okay, that's good. I guess good. Good. Again, how do I enable the dialog mode? Okay, it's asking me to actually create a theme provider here. And then more toggle. Can I use it? I think I will use it down the road. Now I need a header component. Do they have it? If they don't, then I'll just go ahead and create it on my own and then use their components wherever I can. And this is the first time I'm actually navigating through their website, so it will take me a while to get used to it. Oh, damn, that's good. That's good. Dialog, Nice. That. Then data table, date picker, collapsible. Ooh, fancy. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Toggle, text area. Oh, then I have a table switch. Perfect. Okay. How do I do theming here? I just want like permanent dark theme, you know? Mm-hmm. 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 Colors, color, everything, everything. Don't care. What I want is a dark theme. Dark mode. You know? I don't want to do that. No. Don't give me that. Okay, you know what? Toggle theme, but wait a minute. System provide a state. No, how? I don't understand. Mm, You know what? I'll take care of it later. It's not time to waste on that idiotic thing. Let's create a component for ourselves. We'll call it header, and then in that component, I will make a header.tsx. Now it should be inside. I hate this about footer. Okay, yeah. You know what? It won't even go to trash now. Perfect. Now RFC in. Let's remove this. Let's put header in here. Then just I will bring in header again now, and let's make it flex. Okay, justify center. Why not? Let's for now it is only like that. H1. What's that's not it's not app. Okay, yeah. And then we have a button which says login. Okay. I need justify between, and if I click okay, perfect. And do I have a okay? Let's make it a div. Give it a class name. Then container class name. Yeah, it works perfect. Okay, now okay, okay. You know what? It's a bad idea to give the whole thing the container class, because I don't want my container class. Okay, instead I would just give it a padding x of maybe 5, and then it should be fine. Yeah, it's a button. Yeah. Okay. Um. Let's use this RCN now. How do I do that? Button. All right. Perfect. Mm-hmm. Add button. Okay. I'll just go ahead and add a button and see how it works. Now, okay, we've got the UI thing here, and it gives us button.tsx. It's so good. It's so good. I could just use the import the button, uh, and then the Sharsian will take care of the things for me. Let's do this, and all right. What are the variants? Let's go for outline. Outline. You know what? Let's. Do I have a primary? Yeah, I do. Oh, okay. Outline. Default. Perfect. Okay. Now I do have a padding on top. It should be 5 again. It looks good. And I think what I always do is put just a thing here, so that as a background color, so that I get an idea of how I'm working around my flex box, you know. So align center would be the thing, or item center, is it? Yeah, item center. So it makes this that h1, and that should be good. Yep, perfect. Was not that. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Mm, now what? So this is like the most basic header component that I could come up with. Okay. Uh, Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make another component. So what I'm thinking about is, and this website, it will be reactive. It will be uh, what is it called? In hold on, it would be it's right there. It's right there. Come on. Uh, Basically, it would respond to the screen size. Responsive. Yeah, that's the word. Yeah, to respond to the screen size. Um, so yeah. So what I'm trying to do now is just put the thing here, a line here, just like a regular WhatsApp, uh, and then uh, maybe another header over here. Uh, yeah, that should be good. It should be good enough. Share in it. And once we are logged in, once they are logged in, of course we don't show anything if they are not logged in. So we will create a login and sign up page. Do you want to do that now? Mm-hmm. You know what? Let's do that now. Let's do that now. Oh, we also need a React router, uh, so that once we click on the login, it takes us to the login page, right? So For the components, that's the components thing, right? Now for this is basically a single page application. I don't have much going on, so I don't need a lot of pages here, right? So I can put my login and sign up components in here, and it wouldn't be a problem for me. And also, this should be this should be a small case. Same goes for header. Yes, and then we don't need a test right now. Where is it? Do I dare and do that? This will just make it so much easier for me. For each component, if it's not shared, yeah, I can make a shared components folder, uh, which would be the components that are not from ShareCN. Of course, ShareCN components would be shared, and the shared components would be bigger components that I made using ShareCN, right? So login would be a whole page, um, but I'm putting it here in components because I don't have many pages, so I don't want to create a new folder and introduce another way of another folder just for one page, right? Just home and login. I don't want to do that. So login is just one component here. I don't want a thing. Maybe a login.tsx, ifce, and then for the login, yeah. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a component, a login component. So I need a ShareCN thing here always. Now, what do I need here? I think I can work with the tabs. Yeah, tabs would be a good idea for login and then sign up on the same thing and not using different um, oh yeah, pages for that. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Let's use npm install. So it would add tabs and then let me import tabs here. And then it should be that easy. Should be that easy, shouldn't it? I don't understand this. Okay, now for now, while development is going on, I would just put login in the same thing as the header, just for now. Okay, yeah, yeah. I want them to be in the center. So hopefully I can put class name, or can I not? Oh no, not to the login, my bad. So login component, I can just put it to the okay, that's a thing. That's the thing, I like this better. Okay, you know what? Let's just um, continue in a bit. How do I pause the stream?